Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable AirPods support on your Nothing Phone 3 Lite smartphone. To do it, first go to your settings. In settings, navigate all the way down to special features. In special features, go to experimental features and switch the toggle to the right next to AirPods support. Once enabled, when you connect your AirPods using Bluetooth, the phone will automatically detect the AirPods model and display the battery life information for the AirPods and their charging case with the phone's Bluetooth or quick settings menu. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.